The job we're going to now is at a holiday park in Clacton, and it's sunny. Happy days! There's only a water chute. Let's get on it. So on this wheel in particular, we have a little mark here, and we have another mark here. So the customer's requested a smart repair on this wheel, so we're going to repair these sections and blow it in. So what I'm doing here is I'm feathering out the repair. So what we don't get is this hard line pushing through the paint. So it just makes it nice and flat, gives us a nice flat finish, so you'll never know it was there in the first place. Well, so now we're going to tack cloth the wheel. This has got a sticky residue on this. It's made from a rare Siberian donkey. So what we do is we go over the wheel, and it picks up all the dust that's sitting on it and gives us that lovely fresh finish where we're going to apply my paint to. Right, let's get it in the booth. So we're using this primer. I know it's in a rattle can, but it's one of the best clear primers on the market, and I only use it for smart repair work on the blow-ins. It just gives us a nice etch and it just won't come off. This is brilliant stuff. So the etch primer is nice and dry now. I've left that for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to blow it in. Yeah. That's the paint applied. We're going to let that dry. Then we're going to put the lacquer on and then fade it up. Now we're putting in the fade out into the gun, which is a premium fade out. And what this does is, this gets rid of the overspray and blends the lacquer into the existing paintwork and lacquer. So it gives you that consistent shine. You never notice it. Look at that, blended in to the existing paintwork, continuous shine. You got to pump it up. F1 ready. So as I'm in a good mood and we're on an holiday park, give her one of our locking wheel nut bags. Pop it in there, do her up. It's got our company details on there. Banging. So that's it, all done at Highfield Grange Holiday Park in Clacton. 2 wheels done, we're out of here. Don't forget we cover London, Herts and Essex. See you soon.